Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Workday Employee Account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Workday Employee Account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address workday.com and hit on enter. And on the next step, guys, you'll be directed over here on the home page of Workday. Now to log into your Workday account from over here at the top of the screen, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the person icon or over here. Click on that and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the more information option available for us. Click on there and it will be a more detailed page over here. Now in order to log into your Workday employee account, you can see there is the login to Workday employee voice. Click on there and then you'll be required to enter the email address and your company name over here with which you had created an account. And after click on the next, and on the next step you will be required to enter your password. And that being done, guys, you will have signed into your Workday employee account from over here. And guys, this is how to log into your Workday employee account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.